Artificial intelligence has been rising so much. Many people have changed their life just by taking a step and learning how to leverage artificial intelligence. If you look at this from 2018 right up to 2025 as it's being predicted here, you will see the growth rate of artificial intelligence. Just look at it and you are going to see the market revenue. AI is currently valued at $279 billion. And so in 2026, Overcomers is going to reach about $300 billion. Now, when you look out there, you will see small young children who have easily become millionaires because they have leveraged this tool. Everyone have access to this tool. Why so many people are able to make money with artificial intelligence? There are other people out there who are crying and saying that AI is taking jobs away from them. I live in California. If you look on the street, there are so many cars driving without drivers. I've never been this shocked in my lifetime because of the things I see AI doing. And how can we take advantage of this AI, impact lives, and also change our lives? In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways that you can use AI and start a business from today. Of course, there are so many things that you can do. There are so many different ways. The simplest things that are going to give you the most amount of money that you can start today. So in order for me to help you easily take steps, I've put a text file down below. Go ahead and click on that file. You are going to see all the links I'm talking about in this video, and it's going to help you to take action today. Overcomers, it's not anytime tomorrow. For you to change your life, you must make that decision today. I want you to go ahead and put in the comment section that I am ready. So let's go, Overcomers. Let's start with the first one. The first business idea that I want to give you is repurposing content. What does that mean? There are so many creators on the social media space who want to expand their reach. If you see somebody on social media who is already creating content, they want to impact lives somehow. They want to be able to grow more because most of them are solopreneurs. They are not able to take that content that they are producing and put in many different places. Now, if you as an individual can just learn how to do it, you might not know, but it's so easy for you to learn. You can learn how to repurpose this content, and now you can go to those creators and help them to be able to take, for example, their YouTube video, make it into YouTube Shorts, and then post it on many different platforms like TikTok, Instagram. You can even use AI to also create like blog posts using that same long videos that they have and then post it to them on many different places. And when you do that, their income will be able to increase, and every creator is willing to hire people who are able to help them solve these problems that they are not able to do. The question you might be asking me now is, how can I do that? The first thing I want to show you is that you can come to this software called Opus Clip, right? You can take long form videos and then just post it on this platform, and then it's going to cut those long videos into YouTube Shorts like this. It's very easy to do. And when you create an account on this platform, you are going to have 60 free credits that you can use. You'll be able to start doing that immediately. Now, what you are going to do is that you are just going to take the long form video and then you are going to paste it here, and then you are going to generate many clips from that video. You can take that short clip that you have created. Now, you can use AI again, another tool that is called Repurpose, and then repurpose it to many different platforms. So you can take it from YouTube, you can post that video on YouTube. Now, while on YouTube, you connect it to Instagram, TikTok, all those other places, and then it's going to go there automatically. You just have to schedule it. So with that skill, if you learn how to do that, you can help many different content creators. Any content creator that has from about 50,000 subscribers to about 200,000, you can contact them, and now they are going to be willing to hire you if you are able to give them more value. Another thing too that you can do is that you can use AI. You can use things like ChatGPT and create blog posts for them, taking their main video on YouTube and then creating blog posts so that you are able to repurpose it, and they'll have blog posts for those videos too. The second business that you can start with AI is to start a KDP business. So KDP is publishing books on Amazon and even publishing that same book on many different platforms. One thing that you can do is that you can start like a coloring book brand. So now you can use AI. For example, you are just going to come here, put imagine, and then put your prompt here. You can ask ChatGPT to give you prompt. Look at all of this. You just create all these things with AI. After you've done this, you are just going to download it. You can now take those images that you have created with AI, come to a place like Canva, and then just follow it like this and create designs like this and create a book. Now download this book as a PDF and upload on Amazon. I've already shown you so many videos. I'm going to put some in the description box down below that you can follow step by step, and you'll be able to get this result just with AI. Talking about this tool, you can also create high content books just using AI. So I've also shown you so many videos just from AI AI, even take a link from a video, or you even just give AI just simple idea, and that AI is going to create an entire book for you. You just need to know what you want. You give that information to AI. You can even use ChatGPT, and then you just customize it and create a high quality book. So overcomers, I'm going to put videos down below that you can still watch and follow step by step if there is anything that you don't understand. And if you want me to elaborate on any of the topics, I'm going to name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the beginning. So if you want me to elaborate on any of them, just put the number in the comment section down below. So the third business model that you can start doing from today, just using AI, is by creating an e-commerce store. So when it comes to e-commerce, you can create any kind of stores. You can decide that you want to even start selling t-shirts, and you can create a big brand just by using AI. So you can come to a place just like Kido here. There are already so many designs. You just have to come here, take one of them like this, for example. You customize this design. You can take it to a place like Printify, Merch by Amazon, any of these platforms. You take it there, and then overcomers, look at what will happen. Now you are going to immediately have a beautiful design just like this. It doesn't take long for you to do. You just need to learn the skill, master it, follow it step by step, and you will get the results. And if you look here on Amazon, you will see new people producing designs all the time. Look at this one here. It just has one review. It's a new design that has been posted. Look at it. So overcomers is something that anybody can start. So long as the world's population is growing, people will always wear clothes. You can even take these designs and put them on things like posters, put them on things like mug, put them on things like phone cases. You can start any business. You just have to do it. And now when you have created your designs like this, you can take these designs and sell them on places like Etsy. You can sell your designs on Shopify. That's your own shop. You can sell them on Amazon. You can look for any platform and sell these designs on. And the interesting thing is that you don't need to sell it just on one. You can take this same design and put them on like 10 different platforms. You'll be able to get money from all these different platforms when anybody buys your product. So now the fourth thing that I want to tell you about is for you to start your own social media platform just by leveraging AI. So if you look around, you'll see that many people are starting podcasts even just using AI. Look at this podcast, Overcomers. It is something that we can all do. Look at all these African folktale stories. Look at this video. It was posted 1 month ago. It already has 1.3 million views. Just look at all these videos. These are things that are so easy for us to create using AI. You just need to put in the work. Many people are starting children animated channels just using AI. Overcomers, now how can we do this? I already have so many videos on the channel showing you exactly step by step how to do this. You just need to go to a platform and create your image. Now use voiceovers, and then you can animate the images, then create your YouTube channel and then start posting it there. Now the thing is, how will you even get money from this? There are so many different ways that you can get money from this. Let's say you don't even know how to use the tool. You can decide to create a channel where you are telling people that you are just curious to learn about these tools, and so you show them your journey. Another thing that you can do is that you can actually create this kind of stories by learning how to do them, and then you even show people how to do it. You can start one-on-one coaching after you have learned, and then you teach other people. I cannot tell you the number of people who contact me all the time so that I can teach them how to do this thing, but I cannot do it for everyone because I don't have the time. So overcomers, this is something that you can easily learn. Take your time, put in the effort, learn it, and then you can even do that. You can teach people. You can even create a community where in that community you are teaching people how to do it. So in order for you to succeed, just be careful that you are not jumping from one tool to another. You are not jumping from one place to another. Focus on a niche, train yourself, understand how to do it, and then you run with it. And of course, as time goes on, you can still learn different tools and grow. So the fifth thing that I want to tell you is to start affiliate marketing using AI. Now, so many people who don't want to start affiliate marketing business, they think that, oh, they have to show their face on camera. All these things that I've mentioned, you don't need to show your face anywhere on camera. You can just do all of this with AI. So when you come to places like TikTok just like this, there are so many creators making all these videos and posting. And when you come here, you click on these videos, you are going to be able to buy this product immediately. Look at content like this. All these millions of views that they are having. This one is having 37.8 million views. assuming that just 1% of people actually buy this product, then the amount of money that this person is going to be making from this video is huge. And you can do things like this just by using AI tools. Like if you look at this AI tool right here, all this kind of video creatifier, you can use it to create a similar videos just like this, just by using AI. And you can just go and take the link of the video and now use just that link to create an AI video that you can use to advertise your product. And the truth is, this is the way forward. We are getting into the AI era. So you just have to learn it. You just have to get used to it, and you just have to grow. Another thing that you can do with AI is that you can go to a place like ChatGPT, write an article like this. Let's say you want to write an article about a health product. Now, take your affiliate links, put inside that article, and post it anywhere on social media. And when you post that thing on social media, people are going to read that article. They will gain some value, and they will click on your links, and they are going to buy your products. And overcomers, that's how you are going to get money. So AI has come to stay. AI has come to change lives. And please just make sure you are taking advantage of it and impacting your own life. So overcomers, I want you to go ahead and put in the comment section that I am changing my life with AI. And go ahead and click on this video that is going to walk you through step by step one of the business models that we have discussed in this video. I'm going to see you in that video.
I'm an overcomer by God's grace I rise.